Perseus.
Привет! Сегодня мы приехали смотреть Капустинский
Hello!
водопад.
Today we came to see Kapustinsky waterfalls. We are now in the Mostovskoy District, the village of Nikitino. From Krasnodar we drove here about 4 hours. The road is good, only the last 10 kilometers was a dirt road. But in general, any car can pass.
Mythical, so mystical, think what you like. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down below. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. Be kind to those around you, don't be merciless. Remember me, for my name is Perseus.
In the village of Nikitino, you will see a sign, a pointer to the waterfalls. You need to turn and go up the path. Ooh, the first 10 minutes of the road are quite intense. The heart pounds, breathing goes astray because the path smoothly goes uphill. I hope that the second wind will open further and it will be easier. So we actually reached the river. Here are the first small waterfalls, but to go further you already have to use your hands. So take the right one, the left, and climb.
I don't want the throne that my father has. Fighting wicked beasts while they move so fast. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down below. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. Have your friends beside you like my Pegasus. Remember me, for my name is Perseus. My name is Perseus. My name is Perseus.
So we finally reached the waterfall. The way here took us about an hour, and the last part of the path we had to climb a little, almost on all fours. But it cannot overshadow the beautiful sight for which we came here. A 35-meter waterfall that falls in a noisy stream and creates a huge quantity of spray. It's quite cool there. There's a slight wind. Besides us, there are lots of tourists here today. People come here with families and with kids. Some of them even bath in the waterfall, but I would not join. The water is really cold. Speaking of equipment, you don't need anything extraordinary here. Just comfortable sneakers, a liter of water for person, and another pair of shoes in case you get your feet wet. This excursion takes about 2-3 hours maximum, so you'll be back quickly and it's okay not to take anything special with you.
Perseus.